Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Bemi. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not new, thanks for coming back and tuning into my channel. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, then you should know that it was my graduation not too long ago, so I decided to recreate the makeup look that I did for my graduation day. So if you guys want to see how I got this whole makeup look, I did switch up a few things, certain things that I changed, but anyway, if you guys want to see how I got this whole makeup look, then make sure you stay tuned and carry on watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. I've already gone ahead to moisturize my skin. As you guys can see, I used the WISHFUL honey balm today to moisturize my skin. So this is the Huda Beauty skin line. I'm gonna go ahead and prime my skin, and that's something that I've started doing again recently. And I must say, this primer, initially when I got the primer, yeah, I didn't really get the hype around it, but now I do. Okay, now I do. So I'm gonna be using the Milk Hydro Grip primer today to prime my face. I'm just gonna go ahead and prime my skin right now. I just love how my makeup glides on when I apply this primer, so I'm just gonna let that primer sink into my skin just a bit before I apply my foundation. And for foundation today, I'm going to be applying the Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the shade Spiced Rum. To highlight my face, I'm going to use the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Mocha. So I actually picked up some new concealers, but I'm just not sure about how I feel about them, I'm not going to lie. I picked up the e.l.f. matte concealers in the shade Deep Olive and Deep Caramel. So I think I tried Deep Olive and I just feel like it's way too yellow on my skin tone. But I'm going to try them out again, but not today. So I'm going to use my Too Faced concealer today in the shade Mocha to highlight my face. I feel like I can't remember if I cream contoured my face or not, but I'm just gonna leave it anyway because I actually can't remember. So I'm just gonna wait for my concealer to dry down a bit, and then I'm gonna start blending it out. And now I'm just going to use what I've got left on my beauty blender and just use that to reverse contour my cheekbones. So I do remember I didn't actually cream contour my cheekbones, but I used what I had left on my beauty blender just to reverse contour my cheekbones. This is just a quicker way of contouring your face basically, because you don't have to spend time, you know, trying to blend out your contour and stuff. And now I'm going to go back in with my foundation brush again and just blend that in. So I want the line to be visible but not, you know, crazy basically. So just to add a bit more brightness underneath my eyes, I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. concealer in the shade Medium Peach. So I'm literally just going to apply the smallest amount right there. Same thing to the other side. So I've just gone ahead to set my concealer in place with my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Translucent. And guys, I love the setting powder so much. I don't know why. I just feel like it just gives you that brightness that, I don't know, it just does something to me. They actually sent me the same setting powder but in a different shade, but I'm still yet to try that powder. But I think in the next makeup video I do, I'm going to try it out so you guys can see what it looks like. But guys, I just love the way this powder just sets my concealer. Like it just gives you that flawless listen. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and set the rest of my face. My Morphe Filter Effect finishing powder in the shade Filter 13. Please excuse this, that's my hairspray. But yeah, I'm gonna set my face with my Filter 13 finishing powder. And as you guys can see, I'm already hitting the pan with this once again. This is literally like my favorite face powder. I'm still yet to try another one, so but for now this is the one that I use. See, when it comes to my hair, yeah, all I have to say is that the hairstylist that did my hair, she did her thing. She made it work, because listen, not every single one of us was blessed with beauty and hair. I was not blessed with hair, so my edges right now, what should I say, they're struggling. Okay, they're struggling, but she made it work. She did her thing, because listen, it doesn't look like that right now, but I'm gonna try and fix it. Obviously I'm not really good at doing edges, but I'll try my best to make it look good. But I'll try and set a video or a picture right here so you guys can see what my hair looks like when she did it for me. Like, it looked so good. So now I'm gonna go ahead and contour and bronze my face. I'm gonna use my Revolution Glow matte bronzer in the shade Deep. So now I'm going to go ahead and bronze up my face with my Morphe Glam Bronze in the shade Supreme. Since I started using this bronzer, I don't think I've ever done my makeup without this product right here. So if you don't have it, you need to go get it, because this product right here will take your makeup from 0 to 100, literally. So it's a must-have. This is a must-have for me. I just love how it just adds warmth to my face, and it just... Sometimes I go overboard, but I can't help myself. Like, I really can't. This literally does something to your makeup. It just makes you look so rich, so warm. Just, oh, listen. So if you're a dark skin babe, go and pick up this product right here. I'm not joking. You need to get it. You actually need to get this. And now I'm gonna go back in with my powder brush and just, you know, make everything look blended and softer, should I say. So before I move on to my brows, I'm just going to go ahead and set my nose contour with my face powder. I prefer to use my face powder just because I don't really like my contour looking way too harsh. So with me using my face powder, it kind of blends in. And then what I like to do is I like to go back in with my beauty blender and then just clean up my contour. And that's how I literally contour my nose. So moving on to my brows now, I actually picked up a new brow product, which is the NYX Professional NYX Micro Brow Pencil, but I'm not sure if today is the day to try out this product. So I'm thinking to maybe just do a separate video trying out all the new makeup products that I got, so you guys can see what I think, you know, about the products. So today I think I'm just going to stick to my normal brow routines. So I'm going to go ahead and use my ABH Brow Freeze and just brush my brows in place, and then I'm going to fill them in. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but I actually got my brows threaded, but she messed up my eyebrows, which I'm a bit annoyed about, but you know, what can I do? So this eyebrow is thicker than this one, as you can see, and the arch on this one is a lot higher than this one. So I'm just going to try and make it work. Okay, so as you guys can see, I've done this eye off camera. The eyeshadow is actually pretty simple, like it's quite easy, nothing crazy, but as you guys can see, this is one eye done. So now I'm going to move on to this eye and show you guys exactly what I did. So today I'm going to be using my Morphe 3502 eyeshadow palette, and this is what it looks like. So today I'm working with a lot of browns and neutrals, so I'm going to use this shade right here as my transition shade. I'm also going to drag that same shade down to my nose. And now I'm going to apply these two shades right here, so this and this. I'm going to go back in with the first brush I used and just blend those two shades together. So now I'm just going to go in with this shade right here and just use that to deepen my crease. So now I'm just going to take a clean blending brush and just use that to just blend. And now I'm just going to grab some concealer and just apply this all over my eyelid. I'm just going to apply this and just, you know, just blend it out. And now I'm just going to go in with this flat fluffy brush right here, and I'm just going to apply this shade from the Morphe palette, and I'm just going to dust that all over my lid, literally. And now I'm just going to go back in and just define the edges of that. So I feel like I want this to be a bit brighter, so I'm just going to go into my Revolution eyeshadow palette and I'm just going to apply this shade right here. So now the last thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to go in with some black eyeliner and then just smoke it out like I did on this eye. So I'm nearly done with my makeup now, so I've just applied my lashes. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to apply some powder right underneath my eyes, like just the tiniest amount, just set everything in place. And this is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless powder. I love this powder. I'm not sure if you guys can see what it's doing to my face, but it's definitely doing something. And now I'm just going to apply some blusher. So this is the blush palette from DFA Cosmetics, and I'm just going to go in with this shade right here. It's super pigmented, so you have to be like so careful, and I think I've applied it way too high up. And now I'm just going to apply some mascara and then move on to my lips. So for mascara today, I'm going to use the ABH Lash Brag Volumizing Mascara. This mascara is the bomb, okay? Like, literally it's the bomb. I mean, like, I naturally have long lashes anyway, but this mascara just gives you that drama that you need. And now I'm just going to apply some highlighter, and I'm going to apply the Laura Mercier highlighting powder. And I'm just applying the smallest amount. I didn't even look this nice at my graduation dinner. That's the funniest thing. I didn't. I'm doing this for you guys. My graduation dinner, I literally just did brown smoky eye, and I kept it moving. Literally brown smoky eye, and I popped on some really thick lashes. So now I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips. There's actually something new that I've been doing recently. So I like to go in with a black pencil. So this is actually an eyeliner. This is an eyeliner, so it has a brown side. I actually use the brown side for my brows, and then I use the black side to line my lips, and then I go in with a brown lip pencil. And now I'm going to go ahead and apply my lipsticks. So for lipstick today, I'm going to use the Collection Lasting Perfection Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Secretive. I really like this liquid matte lipstick. It's not drying. It literally stays on your lips all day as well. Like, it's really good. And it was only like £4, I think. So this is from the brand called Collection. You can get this from Boots or Superdrugs. Okay, so guys, this is the finished look. I am now completely done with my hair and my makeup. So I feel like obviously I did switch up a few things from when I actually did my graduation makeup, but yeah, I'm liking this makeup. I hope you guys like this makeup look. I hope you like how snatched my face is looking right now. Like, I'm so gassed, I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, you guys, let me know what you think down below in the comment section. Let me know what you think of my hair, my makeup. Are you feeling this look? Are you liking this look? Let me know in the comment section down below. So yeah, I'll make sure to list all the products I've used in the description box below. So please make sure you check down below for anything you'd like to know, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.